How are you? What do you mean we're down Paul? How many of you guys are farmers? Like you've been out years and years ago. Like you've been out. We got smart. So you guys get here every. They're here every day. They're on my payroll. If I don't work today, they don't get a Social Security check. About all the problems in the state of Missouri to be solved right here inside. That's right. That's solve them all right here. I work with a lot of that. That's what I do. In fact, I'm doing a reconstruction on a couple of aspects of the track. Yeah. The only time the department operated a small business for the last 10 years. And it's really that wanting to help others as a physician, that sort of spirit of care that has led me to seek representing you in the 22nd District. Sometimes I don't have all the answers, and I've learned throughout the years that's when I call on colleagues, other physicians, to get their advice, to seek the best care for my patients, even when I personally don't have the solution. And I believe hard work and sensible compromise is exactly what we need. You know what? That sort of common sense is what I'm going to take to Richmond to represent you.
Here, here.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
As Henry already alluded to, I felt like you were giving me my speech.
That's why I stopped you.
Number one, I plan on continuing the great work of Senator John Edwards in Roanoke City.
Yes.
His great work in education and representing teachers and children and trying to make sure his education agenda gets continually progresses throughout the years. But the basic three issues that I have are healthcare, our economy, and of course transportation. It's unbelievable with healthcare being such a huge issue that currently there are no state senators now that are physicians, and I'm going to, with your help, try to change that. Healthcare affects everybody's, and politicians are not only tinkering with our lives, they're also tinkering with our wallets. And who better to address these healthcare needs than a physician who deals with these issues every single day? So I think I can be a big help with healthcare to represent you in the General Assembly. The other issue is the economy. I think most of us agree that the economy is very small, very important, and bringing small businesses into the area is important for the New River Valley as well as the Roanoke Valleys to try to retain our youth. Oftentimes people get educated in great schools that we have here in the area, Virginia Tech, Bradford, and they leave. And I think by stimulating the economy we can recruit children to stay here and be professional and enjoy the beautiful outdoors, like right here in Reiner. And finally, transportation is a huge issue. In fact, I don't know who went on I-81 this afternoon, but we did. But Steve and I went through a horrible traffic accident and probably a fatality. And anyone who represents this area that doesn't understand that I-81 is a nightmare should not be in public office. Let's just put it that way. But anyway, and I'm not going to promise to solve the entire transportation crisis. That would just be ridiculous and, you know, a lie for me to do that. But what I'm concerned about doing some small, practical, measurable steps that will make a huge change. For example, widening some of the areas, the choke points on I-81 that I think would be very simple to do. Possibly increase the fees for the heavy trucks and out-of-state motorists that come through I-81. Anything we can do to increase the revenue